What's up, guys? Couple cool projects in the shop this week. We have a Mark III Supra with a 1J, and we're modifying some super rare JDM parts for an R33. I'm gonna show you some stuff. All right, so my neighbor has had this Mark III Supra for a super long time. It's been through every version of a 7M. It's been built in a bigger than stock turbo, factory ECU all the time with just cranked up fuel pressure, and he kept having head gasket issues. So his son got old enough to start working on the car and put a 1J in it. So they wised up, put in a 1J, single turbo, took the twins out, and he just recently put this big fatty Koyo-Rad radiator in here. However, now there's no room for the charge pipes. There's no room at all. He put these nice big fans on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy, run the charge pipe over here, and we are going to have to relocate the battery. It's going to go straight down there. I don't normally like doing that, but we tried everything we could to move some stuff around, and that charge pipe's just not going to fit. This car is so nice. It's got some PFO1s on it, some big Brembo brakes in the front. I'm pretty sure this is original paint too. So, what a nice car. Okay, guys. So check this thing out. This is an ARC intake box for an R33 GTR. So I did a clutch in an R33 GTS recently. One of the first that actually has been imported legally, I think. This thing is obviously for twins, so you can see it's got two holes. However, they make parts to make this thing work for a GTS, so single turbo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some little 2.5-inch bits here that will protrude out the back of the box so that he can connect the Y pipe that he got to go to his single turbo. Pretty sick. I love JDM parts. Pretty awesome. Okay, so we came over here to the press. We got our little pieces cut, same height. Inside's for deburred. Got this for reference. Here's your hack. Use the top of an argon bottle or mixed gas bottle. Put it in your press, and you will push this down on here. This is not my idea. I did see this on Instagram. One of the Fab guys that I follow on there showed this trick, and I tried it last time, and I went from 3-inch to 4-inch without splitting it. It must be because it's just such a nice gradual taper that it works perfectly. So it makes a nice transition, super smooth from one side to the other. We are going from 2.5 to, it's like 2.8. It's not quite 3-inch. So we will get this guy all set up, and I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. We're going to go ahead and lube this here so that it slides around nice and easy. Nice and flat. You want to try to center it as best as possible. Look how cool that is. Isn't that great? Fits much better. I am going to go a little bit further so that it is basically flush. Pretty cool. Works really nice. That should work out nice. Time to do the other one. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah. We're good now. Nice smooth transition. Perfect. I just finished modifying that really sweet little airbox for the R33. Check this thing out. I saved the sticker, peeled it off so it doesn't get wrecked. So it has dual inlets on it, right? Well, he's got a GTS. So we made some slick little transitions for dual 2.5 out of this box. You guys saw I used the little shop hack with the press in the top of the argon bottle to make these sweet little radiused transitions from 3 to 2.5. It's actually like 2.8, so worked out really well. Should flow really good. This box is pretty sweet. It's in really good shape, really. It uses 2 filters. One panel filter here and a giant panel filter here. If you guys Google this thing, you'll see it's a big red filter that says ARC on top of it, so that's pretty neat. One project down for the day. I'm gonna get back on this Supra, make some charge pipes. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the video out here. Hope you guys enjoyed checking out a little fab hack, in case you guys are doing any fab work or need to open up some pipes. We are gonna jump back in on the Mark III here this week. You guys will see that in the next video. So we'll see you soon. Hope you guys have a good week. Peace.